Welcome back to TechSpress. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you if you're struggling to manage shipping into the Shopify store. I'm going to be showing you how to set up the shipping zones, how to set up some rates and rows to ensure your customers get their orders in time. So the first thing to do is to access the Shopify shipping settings. So on the screen here, you might be seeing the Shopify dashboard. I'm going to focus into the left section that says settings. And here into my settings, you can locate that we have all of this information. I'm going to look out for the one that says shipping and delivery right below customer accounts. When I clicked here, we can see that we have everything managed, everything related into my store shipping. So let's create my shipping zones. So clicked into create a new zone. If you don't see it in here, what I can do is to go all my way up, choose create a custom profile, and to create my custom profile, let's say for example that I want to be locating for a fulfillment location. For example, let's say that this is for Toronto fulfillment. There we go. And here I can add a specific products, or I can select all of them. When I have done so, I'm going to hit into done, and I'm going to be managing all of these products. Then here I have the fulfillment locations. If there's a shipping zone that you wanted to specifically add, you can go for shipping zones and add a zone and rate to ship for these locations. In this case, since I wanted to focus into Canada only, I'm going to type Toronto or just Canada. And there we go. Now I'm going to be trying to aim for Canada, which in this case, here it is. I have the 13 provinces. If I wanted to focus only into Toronto, I can just add it automatically, which is Vancouver. Or in this case, I think I can add all of them. Then choose the option that says done. Now here, as you can see, we have the no rates. The customer in the zone won't be able to complete the checkout. So I needed to edit the zone. So if I have selected already, for example, the section that says North America, and I have selected Canada, what I can do is to add in a specific rate. So I can choose to use flat rate. The shipping rate should be custom, and for example, let's go for DHL or FedEx. Now the customer delivery section, for example, let's say it ships next day. So this specific ad rate should be, for example, let's say that the price is $3, but since this one is for the ships next day, I choose $6, and I can add a conditional price. For example, the minimum weight should be 1 and the maximum should be 5, and this is how it should be appearing, this element. Now how do you know the actual price of the rate? Well, what you need to do, of course, is to check it out directly with a paste. In my case, for example, with FedEx, so I can choose fedex.com. I close this, and here I have, for example, the shipping method, and I can create the shipping and rates and delivery times, and I can check out what are the common mistakes to, for example, let's say calculated from, I say that I go for Illinois to Toronto, Canada. So as you can see, my package is, for example, 1 that weighs 2, and I go from show my rates. And this is the actual rate that I'm going to be adding into my website. This is the actual site, end of the day, delivery by, international priority, arrives on. Basically, all of this information I can be providing them directly into the Shopify. So I'm going to hit now into done and hit into save. There we go. We have created a shipping profile from different or in a specific product. Now I can create a new shipping rate for in a specific product. For example, here I choose fragile product. I go for add product, and I select only this product. Here I choose the shipping zone, and let's say that I wanted to focus with North America, and I hit into done. Then I'm going to be adding a new rate. This rate should be free, custom delivery, made to order, and the price should be in 0, and I go for save. And there we go. Now, if you wanted to check out the preferred courier services to buy labels with the lowest rates, you can check out here, select the fulfillment location. In my case, for example, it should be FedEx, and add the couriers. There we go. And here we have, for example, the expected delivery dates. If you can enable this, for example, let's go for shop promised. That means that I can add, for example, the shop section. That means that I can just tell the customers when they might be having these delivery dates, and the order routing should be activated into a minimalized split fulfillment in the user ranked location. You can add another rule, for example, for shipped from the closest location or to stay within the destination market. That's totally up to you. And make sure that you have saved all the changes before you go back. And you can manage the local delivery and pickup options. So for local customers, you can enable the local delivery or the local pickup, which in this case should be appearing in here. You can set things up, such as your location, and just select it. And this location offers local delivery, set a delivery rate used, the local delivery, and save. And there we go. Now, if you wanted to track orders and provide some updates, what you can do is to send tracking details once you've fulfilled orders. So you can also add tracking numbers manually if needed, or all of this information can be done automatically with an application, a third-party application. You can locate here into the left side and set an application, and I go for shipping and look out into the Shopify App Store. When I clicked in there, we can see that we have shipping and delivery, drop commerce, shipping and delivery, intuitive shipping, and basically they have more control of shipping rates to avoid lost and schedule the orders. Some of them, they do already have the actual local delivery, per product shipping, distance-based shipping, and basically that's much elements that you can do. So that's how you can manage the shipping on the Shopify. By setting up the zones, the rate, and the profile correctly, you're saving time and keep your customers happy. If you're getting started, the most easily solution for you, you should be having an actual application that does all of this automatically for you, so you can focus into what matters the most, which is focusing into your products. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions below. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully we can all see you next time.